Arrive in style with this BMW 2016 5 Series 52811 xDrive. If you are looking for a first-class ride, you have found it. This vehicle's top features include satellite radio, navigation system, rear-view camera, instrument cluster with extended contents, head-up display, parking distance control, heated front seats, park distance control and iPhone connection. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.